Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Google Ads payment. Now, if you want to cancel your Google Ads payment, it means that you're looking to stop your Google Ads payment. While you can't exactly cancel a payment in progress, you can definitely stop future payments by cancelling your Google Ads account. And here's how. Along with important things to keep in mind before you do it. You see, before you cancel, make sure you've paid any outstanding balance on your account, because Google will bill you for any accrued cost even after you cancel. If you have any unused refundable credit in your account, excluding promotional offers, you should receive a refund to your original payment method within a few weeks. Google Ads doesn't have a direct export function for your data, so if you need records, you have to manually save any records or information you require before closing the account. And know that once you cancel your Google Ads account, it is irreversible. You will lose all campaign data and configurations, so you will have to start from scratch if you decide to use Google Ads again in the future. So if you want to continue with this, here are the steps you can take to cancel your Google Ads account, which will help you stop future payments. 1. Sign into your Google Ads account. 2. If you're using the new Google Ads experience, click the tools icon at the top right corner, then choose account settings. If you're using the older Google Ads experience, click Tools and Settings and choose Preferences. Then you have to find the Account Status section and then click Cancel My Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation, and this might involve verifying your identity or ownership of the account, and it's as simple as that. Here, by using this method, you've succeeded in stopping future payments. But it's important for you to note that you will need administrative access to your account to cancel it. And if you have a manager account, you need to cancel the individual account under it first. Note that once your account is cancelled, you won't be able to reactivate it. If you think you might need it in the future, consider pausing your campaigns instead of cancelling the account. So it's an alternative for you to pause your campaigns instead of cancelling the account. If you're not completely sure about cancelling your account, like I said before, I'm emphasizing this, you can pause your campaigns instead. Pausing your campaigns will help stop ads from running and prevent any new charges, but you will still be able to access your account and data. And you can always reactivate your campaigns later if you change your mind. But if you cancel it, you cannot reactivate your account later. You have to start from scratch. Now, if peradventure you have trouble cancelling your account, what do? You can contact Google Ads support. They can help you troubleshoot any issues you might encounter during the cancellation process. I repeat, and I want to emphasize this, cancelling your Google Ads account effectively stops future payments. Just make sure you're taking care of any outstanding balances and consider the implications before you proceed, as this action is irreversible. Hope you find it helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.